Hi, our topic is about Elizabeth. We are going to talk a bit about her and explain her influence on fashion and how her personality was.
Elizabeth Tudor ascended the English throne in 1558. She was a very intelligent, careful, and self-confident person. She solved religious problems she inherited from her half-sister Queen Mary Tudor. He was married to Philip II, and after her death, he wanted to get married to Elizabeth so he could be part of the English monarchy. And because he knew Spain and England were eventually going to get into war, since Elizabeth was Protestant and Philip Catholic, but she rejected him. She thought she didn't need a partner to rule and that she could rule by her own. Lots of people wanted to marry the queen, maybe because she had a lot of power, and the way she dressed was very elegant. The Queen Elizabeth called herself the Virgin Queen because she never got married. That's why black and white were her favorite colors, as they symbolized virginity and purity. Elizabeth had a lot of influence over her country's changing styles than almost any other monarch before or since. Queen Elizabeth was a follower of fashion.
Though in private, he preferred to wear simple gowns, and he would wear the same plain gowns for 2 or 3 days, but when he was in public, he dressed to impress.
Clothes were an important status symbol to the Elizabeth, and a person had to dress in accordance with their social status. That's why the queen had to dress more magnificent than the others.
The rich fabrics and jewels conveyed incredible wealth, power, and prestige. Her clothes also represent uniqueness and longevity. The jewelry she used, moons and pearls, were used to represent Elizabeth as the goddess of the moon.
Clothes represent elegance. Olive branches, peace, and crowns, orbs, and serps means monarchy. Wearing this kind of clothing was restricted to royalty and high nobility. Queen Elizabeth influenced on society. When women started to wear similar clothes throughout the 16th century, and not only in England, all over Europe.
Male fashions also followed her trend and became stiffer, more decorated with puffs, pinking and slashes, and generally more contrived in appearance. The male style was wide-shouldered, using rich fabrics contrasting color to display the wealth and magnificence of the person who wears it.